India is growing fast from IT parks in Bangalore to commercial hubs in Gurugram. Modern buildings are coming up everywhere. But with this growth comes a serious issue: noise. Offices, hospitals, schools, airports, metro stations, auditoriums, all need proper sound control. Today, acoustic comfort is not a luxury. It is a necessity. And this creates a strong manufacturing opportunity. What are acoustic panels? Acoustic panels are sound-absorbing products used to reduce echo, vibration, and unwanted noise inside buildings. They improve speech clarity and create comfortable working environments. They are usually made from materials like mineral wool, glass wool, polyester fiber, foam, or wood wool, covered with fabric or decorative finishes. These panels are widely used in corporate offices, conference rooms, schools and colleges, hospitals, cinema halls and studios, airports and metro projects, industrial units. This is not just a decorative product, it is an infrastructure-driven industrial product. Why demand is growing? India's construction and commercial real estate sectors are expanding rapidly. IT companies, co-working spaces, healthcare chains, and educational institutions are increasing across major cities. Major demand drivers include rapid urban infrastructure growth, expansion of IT and service sectors, metro rail and airport development, growth of media and OTT studios, increasing awareness of workplace productivity, noise control regulations. Many premium acoustic products are still imported. This creates a clear opportunity for domestic manufacturers. Demand is long-term because every new commercial or institutional building needs sound management. The supply gap, a clear opportunity. Even though demand is strong, high-quality manufacturing is still limited to a few organized players. Architects and contractors often depend on imported brands for large projects. In Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, availability of quality acoustic materials is inconsistent. As construction grows faster than production capacity, new manufacturers are needed. This is a strong opportunity for MSMEs. Why this industry makes business sense? Acoustic panels are necessity-based products. Wherever people work, study, heal, or gather, noise control is required. This industry offers consistent demand linked to infrastructure growth, wide applications across multiple sectors, B2B bulk sales model, import substitution opportunity, export potential. As India builds more commercial and institutional spaces, acoustic solutions will remain essential. Who are the buyers? The buyer base is large and diversified. Real estate developers, corporate office builders, IT companies, educational institutions, hospitals, interior contractors and EPC companies, airport and metro authorities, industrial plants. Large projects require bulk quantities, ensuring steady industrial demand. Basic manufacturing overview. Acoustic panel manufacturing is technically manageable and scalable. Key raw materials include mineral wool or polyester fiber boards, fabric coverings, framing materials, and adhesives. The process generally involves cutting and shaping core materials, pressing and forming, fabric wrapping or finishing, quality inspection and packaging. With proper quality control, manufacturers can supply commercial and institutional markets efficiently. Export potential. Globally, demand for acoustic materials is rising due to stricter noise regulations and green building standards. Countries in the Middle East, Southeast Asia, and Africa are investing heavily in infrastructure. Many rely on imports. With a China Plus One strategy, India has a strong opportunity to become a reliable supplier internationally. How our team helps you? Are you ready to build the future? Let us assist you. We can support your business with 30+ years of experience. At Niir Project Consultancy Services, we provide our services for the preparation of market surveys cum detailed techno-economic feasibility reports for setting up new industries or businesses. Our report includes manufacturing processes, market research, flow sheet diagrams, product mixes, machinery details, raw material details, and complete project financials to assess project feasibility, along with a wealth of other information. For more details, please contact the number or email given in the description box.